Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of the one styling product, and I styled it in many different ways. In this video, I'll be showing you how versatile and convenient 2-strand twists are. It's easier to just take your bonnet off, get up and go, versus having to style your hair each and every day, which becomes very tiring. For the first hairstyle in this video, I will be unraveling the 2-strand twist at the top of my head, where my first ponytail originally was, and that's where I'll be starting my first hairstyle. As usual, I'll grab the 2-strand twist with one hand, and with the other hand, I unravel the twist, basically undoing the twist, and then I pull them apart, which is super easy, usually, sometimes, unless I've had to take some hair from another portion of the twist to finish the twist, which will sometimes cause some frizz towards the ends of my twist. And once I've finished taking down all the twists at the top of my head, I begin putting them in little puff balls. So now I have 2 puff balls at the top of my head, and the back is still hanging with the 2 braids in the front. Super cute, right? And on to the next hairstyle, I'll just be taking down the twist in the back of my head, doing the same thing that I did at the top, but now it's just turned into a different hairstyle without the twist in the back, and now my whole head will be completely without twist, but super cute and super crinkly. Hairstyle for the week. It's been 2 weeks and I officially made it down to my last hairstyle, which is, you know, my all-time favorite, my high puff, and I kept my braids with the beads on them. So I can say definitely I love that the product was able to hold the curls. I love that I didn't have to touch my hair for 2 weeks. I wore the twist, then I wore the puffs in the front, and then now I'm gonna wear a high puff for the remainder of the week, which will last me till about Friday, Saturday-ish. And then I'll, try it all over and try a different product or whatever the case may be. But no problems at all. I love the moisture that it gave my hair. I really did not have to touch my hair until maybe yesterday and put some oil on the back of my hair because of course it was out and not in a protective style anymore. But other than that, my hair stayed moisturized through the twist to the puffs until yesterday, until I decided to put it in a high ponytail today. So if you want to try it, I definitely suggest you do so, and that you definitely like, comment, and subscribe in this video so that you can be here for the next video, because that one's going to be just as great. I'll see you guys next time.